Hello friends, welcome to this video. Here we will talk about how you can create your own blogging website and start making money online by placing the third party advertises on your website. There will be five important points. Choosing a domain name, which will be the foundation, and it is just to map your domain with the IP, but works in a SEO. After that, we will install the WordPress, optimize the website, and several plugins for the additional functionality. Backlinks are the part of SEO, and placing the Google advertises so that you will start getting the revenue. Now let's come to the first point, and here I will give you the live example how we will create a blog and make the money online. So I am working on this CBSE results 2016, which is going to announce on this month, and I have about 45 days to work on this domain. So I am taking it CBSE result 2016 date.in because many students are confused about the date when their result is going to be disclosed. They are really excited because that's the first stage of the students. On behalf of this, they take many decisions, which stream they will take, on which college they will go, etc. So I have choose this domain to earn the money, and here will be the simple steps of registration, where you will just provide the domain name and you will continue your domain by clicking on this button, continue to cart. Then it is showing 2000 something, which is for 5 years, but for if you are new user, then for 1 year you will get it of rupees 100 plus tax, which will be about 18 rupees. No, it is asking for 199. Okay, let's proceed with this. And now here we have to sign up on their site if we are not already a customer of GoDaddy. So but I have already created the account and purchased some domain, but if you are a new customer, you can click continue on the new customer part. I have to make this payment online because the check or the draft etc will not work here. I am making the payment online. I have chosen the net banking as a payment method, and this is for the security purpose, that to cross check that you are not a robot. Proceeding for the payment, and I have already filled my address, so I do not need to do it again. But when you will sign up, you have to provide all these credentials. Friends, domain is the beginning step of making a blog. So have concentration while purchasing it because it cannot be undone if once taken wrong. And the extension also plays a really important part. If you are purchasing a .in, so means you are targeting the audience of India, and if you want to spread your blog worldwide, then go with .com or .org. Now I will get a message which will be the OTP, one time password, to authenticate for this payment method. Yeah, I got the message, and here is my OTP. Now I have completed with the payment method. Now what we are gonna do is we will update the DNS or IP. From where we will get the IP, we will talk about later. And if you know a bit about hosting, then when you purchase a hosting, the hosting provider will give you the name servers or the IP. If you are purchasing a shared hosting, then you will not get the dedicated IP, but you can update the name servers in place of IP. But I have taken the VPS, so I got this dedicated IP, and I am inserting this IP on the A record, which will take 600 seconds to get updated. And if you are using the name server, the shared hosting, then from here you can change your name server. Now we are done from this part. We have purchased our domain and mapped our IP of the server. Now we will go uh, to take a login on the server, because our second step is to install the WordPress on our website. WordPress is the CMS, content management system, on which we can just choose a pre-prepared template which saves our code, and we add the several plugins which will enhance the functionality. We will see all the things further. Just bear with me, and this video will be a bit lengthy. Now I have authenticated with my ID and password of the hosting. Here I will click on this button, add on domain. This is to add a new folder, and the new password of FTP. So carefully provide the same domain name, and the FTP username and document to root will create automatically. Although you can customize it, but there is no need of doing that. Oh, there is some problem with the directory. I have to delete this HTTP. This will not be accepted here. So let me delete this. And now we are getting the green buttons, means everything is going fine. Click on the add domain button. Now come to the home page. This is the software. By clicking on this, we can install the WordPress by just one click. And here you need to remember one thing, that in first choose the domain, then leave this blank, the in directory. Otherwise it will install the WordPress on domain name /wp. So remove that, and here you can give the site name, and site name and site description you can modify later on. So if you want now, you can do, otherwise you can do it later. And this will also plays a really important role in the SEO, so think before you update this. Also friends, if you are using a server like AWS or VPS, then you need to see my other tutorial in which I have not got any control panel, and I did all the things by the commands by using the putty and WinSCP. Here you need to provide the email address so that you will get all the details of FTP, username, password on your email address as well, so that if you will forget it, you can see it in your email. Now let's log into the dashboard. Now have some concentration on this part, because it will be quite tricky. Here is the demo site on which you can see the pages which I show you above, and the Facebook page also. This site is mobilized. You can see all this. We will create a similar website, because this is also my website. This is for Holy, but Holy has gone, so we are working on the results, but the template will be look like this. Everything will be the same as we did before. The main thing is to install the theme, so click on the appearance button and then the theme. Here we will install the Frontier theme. Click on the add new button and install this Frontier theme. After this, click on the activate button. Once the theme will be activated, then you can visit the website to check whether it is installed properly. And then the next step will be to click on the plugins and then add new button. Here we will understand about the functionality of every plugin, why we are installing, and what benefit we will get of that plugin. Do not install a number of plugins. It will uh, increase the loading time of your website, which can affect your SEO badly. So first plugin is WP Cache, which will remove the cache of the website, and the next will be uh, yeah, the Google XML sitemap. What this plugin will do, it will create the XML map of all of your URLs, and you can submit this map to the Google console, to the Google webmaster, so that Google came to know about your website and the number of pages you are having in your website, to crawl it, because Google have one tool, crawlbot. What it do is it crawl your pages and brings it to the search engine, and from the search engine you are gonna get the traffic, which will give you the revenue. So activate this plugin. Now we will add the another plugin, because let's done with this plugin part, so that we will move further. So we have 6 or 7 plugins. This share it is also one of the important plugin. This plugin used to share your articles on Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and other social networks. Let's activate it, and you can see the demo where you will get this plugin. Here it is. You can share it on Facebook, Google Plus, etc. Now we will install the related post. This plugin will work like if a user is viewing one article, and below that article there will be 4 or 5 thumbnails, and the related articles you can look like this. It will look like this, and it will increase the site time of the user, which will enhance the SEO, and because Google check the loading time, how much a user is giving time to your blog. The more time a user will give, the more good your SEO will be. So the next plugin will be all-in-one SEO. So this will work. In this we will provide the meta tag, which so that the search engines can understand what the topic is all about, on which keywords we are targeting, and all the things will be done with the help of this plugin. It will embed in your WordPress, and you will get the section of doing the SEO below the every post when you will write and modify. WP Minify is a plugin which compresses the size of the image. So activate this plugin, and when you will upload a new image, it will already compress your image and shrink it, so that it will not decrease the quality of the image, but will decrease the size of the image, so that you can increase the loading time of your page if you have a number of images. Because here you can see I have a number of images, so I cannot put the HD images, so that I will increase that loading time of my website. And this is the DMCA protection badge, which is for the security purpose, for the copyright. So once if another person will copy your content, so you can claim it. Now click on the appearance and the frontier options. Here you can see several options, which are the site title, site menu. Click on this radio button of top menu, because we will talk about this later. And I have uploaded this logo by removing the old logo of the theme, and this is the alt text, which is a part of SEO. So on which keyword you want to rank this particular image. You have to give the text to this field, all text, and the description, related description you can provide. Now let's come down, and in the layout we cannot make any change because all the things are perfect. In colors you can modify the colors of the template, the etc, the basic things which you can modify yourself, so there is no need to understand or to teach you about these small things. Now I have saved the basic options. Now let's visit the website, how it is looking like. Oh, it's not getting, I think there is some cache problem. So if you get such problem, you can delete the cache of your browser and visit the site again. Yeah, now here it is. These are the changes we made. We have placed the logo, the title we have written, and in below you can see the Frontier theme is showing their own credit, which we can remove by making some changes in the coding. Now click on the appearance, then the editor button. Here we will find the footer.php. Here it is. Click on it. Now find where the Frontier theme is written. Here is the Frontier theme which I want to remove. So find the same thing. Here we have got this. Now delete this and write whatever you want. You can also provide a URL of any third-party website as well. Let me show you how. Suppose I have written this contact me, and here I can customize my own URL. So I have given my Facebook page URL, which is fb.com/kashifmalikproton, and let's see. Now visit to the page again and refresh the page so that we can see the changes we made. Oh, the net is working very slow. Yeah, here we can see the contact me. Let's click on it. So it already redirected to my Facebook page. This is my Facebook profile. So there is no need to talk about my Facebook profile, but come back to the dashboard and click on the menu button. We will create a menu bar. Menu bar is like in the topmost of website. You can we create some pages like home, contact us, about us, but here we will create a category. Let's give it a name like top menu. I will create the two menu bar. One will show the pages and the another will show the category. Click on the add new pages, and we will create the 4 page which are important for the website. So don't forget to create these pages because Google recommend these pages, and if you are going to apply for the Google AdSense program, so you need such pages, and what's your privacy policy and the disclaimer, about us, contact us, these basic informations. I am publishing all the 4 pages by giving them the name, privacy policy, and let's publish it. Now let's write something in the content also. Suppose, for example, I have written this admin at the rate domain name is my contact info, and about us we are providing the updated information about CBSE results 2016. You can provide a lengthy description of your website, but this is just for the demo purpose to make you understand. I am doing it in a short way. We are not collecting any private information like contact number and the cache and cookies. You can write such things, and let's publish it again. The disclaimer. Now let's come back to the menu bar after creating the pages, and we have already created the menu before with the name top menu. In the sidebar you can see I got all the 4 pages which I can adjust by tapping it and by dragging them. You can adjust yourself and save the menu. Now let's find the changes. Close these pages because we have published it, so they are no more in use. Here we can see in the top menu we have created all 4 pages. Now we will create another menu bar in which we will create the category, but before that let's create a new category. We can create a number of categories, but here I have no article, so I'm just creating the first category with the name CBSE result 2016 date. We are done with this, and let's refresh it and we will get the category in the category menu. For that, create a new menu bar and give it a name, for example main bar. Click on the create menu button, and now click on the categories and click on the view all. We got the category, and let's save this menu by clicking the primary radio button, which is the primary menu. Here we got it. Now friends, we are done with the basic layout. The one thing we are missing is the Google Ads, which was the step number 5. And click on the appearance, then widgets are to customize your right side sidebar or the footer. So we are customizing the right sidebar and click and adding a text to the right sidebar and give it any title, like we will place ad here, so watch these deals. And I am placing this code of 300 into 600. Friends, if you don't know how to get the AdSense, then you can watch my video. Click on my playlist, you will get the video how to apply for AdSense and how to get it easily. Because if you will have no advertisers, so how you will earn the money? And Google is the main and the best source of earning money online. We got the live ads on our website, which you can check, and we can add another plugin, which is Quick AdSense. What it do is it already inserted the ads on every article without inserting the script to every page. It will do automatically for all the pages, because we will have a number of articles. We was having one sidebar, so we can apply the script to sidebar once, but we will have the number of articles. So for that we need this quick AdSense plugin. Activate it. Now click on the setting buttons. Here you can see we can place a number of ads, but we will just provide the 2 ads because Google allow 3 ads in a page. Do we cannot insert more than that. So here I have also created the responsive ad which take the shape according to the device. So I also recommend to place some random advertises on the website and click on the save changes. We have no article here, so we cannot see this advertises, but we can see on this page we got the advertise, and on every page, on every article, the ad will be inserted automatically. So we are done with the advertises and the domain name. Now let's come back to the dashboard. Now let's write the first article. I have already written the article on CBSC. Here it is. How to write an article, I will tell you. The title must be unique and the content as well. So and how to customize it for the SEO purpose, I will tell you. Suppose it's about CBSC and the date prediction, so you can provide the information from the official website. You cannot make your own views in this. Let's copy paste the title and the content on the WordPress post. Now let's customize it step by step. Click on the category from the right side. And this is the content we are having. Content must be of at least 4 to 500 words, and bold the first line and the main keyword. The keyword I would like to target is CBSE result 2016 date prediction, and the another keyword is CBSE result 2016, which is the main keyword. And if we will rank our site on this keyword, we can earn a very good amount. Now let's come down and insert one heading. I took a break between these two paragraphs, and I will make this as a heading because this heading will also take part in SEO. Italic this part also because some people search for resultant past percentage chart of 10th and 12th, and make it a heading. Click on this toggle and click on H2 button. Yeah, we are done with this. Align it to the center. The article is almost complete, and give it a color sharing so that people can see this, spread this article by sharing, and he or she will share this article with the help of those buttons which we have created with the help of plugin, which we have already covered. Now this is the part of SEO. We have installed one all-in-one SEO plugin, if you remember. So this is coming just because of that. Give it a title, CBS result 2016 date prediction, the same title which we would like to target and to come at the top page of Google on this keyword. Now why it is happening is it is counting 70 words. There is a problem. Click on the setting and then the permalink. Click on the post name so that you will get your article name after the slash of your domain. This is also for the SEO. And now come to the setting of this all-in-one SEO. Scroll the page down and you will find this here it is accepting both the things. Delete this post title, and now it will just take the blog title. Click on the save button. I have done for the post only, because in this blogging website we will just work on the post, so I left all the things as it is. Now refresh this page, and the count has reduced. Now it's okay. Now we are left with the two things, the description and the meta tag. The tags plays a really very important role in the SEO, so target the main keywords as your tags. So in the description I'm providing the same information on which my blog is all about. So this will give you the complete idea how to work on a blog, how to do the SEO, how to earn the money. So your logics will become strong. That's why I'm giving you the live examples by creating it on the live on the server and updating it on the Google console. And at the last, I will also show you the result, how our SEO was. These are the tags. So be careful by typing these tags, because these plays really important role in the SEO. So I am writing the main things on which I want to come at the top of Google, and don't exceed the tags up to 5 or 6 hardly. So friends, we are done with the tags also. And let's do it for the 12th result as well, because the CBSC is going to disclose the result of 10th and 12th. So I want both keyword on the Google. The thing which we are missing is the image, so I am picking one Google image. I think this is the perfect image for me, because I have to customize this image so that it will not look like copy. We have to change the alignment of the image, the layers, by making the changes in the layers and colors, so that you can rank your image, because the copy thing cannot be ranked on Google, whether it is a content or it is a image. So be careful about this. First of all, what I will do is, if you know a bit about Photoshop, then make this image into a layer and transform it by clicking on Ctrl plus T button. I made it square so that it will not become the identical on Google that it's a copied image. And select the portion of white color and delete the background, and choose the another color, and now make a new page and paste this layer on it by giving it a new background color. Now again we need to transform it. Now it is fit on the screen, but there are some backgrounds which we need to delete again, so select that portions by clicking the shift button, all the white portions, and we will give the same background color to this. Now click the backspace button. We are done with the image. Let's save this image with a keyword, because we want to rank this on the Google also. So don't write 123 or ABC. Now let's give, no sorry, let's upload this image on this article. Select the image, and now we will do the SEO, which for that we have to provide this text in the alt text, because this is a part which is responsible for the SEO. So choose a keyword which is mostly searched by the people, and you can take this help with the keyword planner, which is the free tool of Google. You can access the keyword planner by visiting the Google Webmaster. Now here give some description. And we will link this image to the home page. When someone will click on this image, he will come back to the home page, so that we can increase the site time. Because if you want your user to be busy on your website, so keep trap him, so that he is keep finding the interesting things and clicking here and there within your website. Don't let any visitor go. If you want to earn from the advertisers, the more advertisers he will see, the more revenue you will earn. So both the things are directly proportional. Here we can see we are getting the two advertises in the article and one in the sidebar, and here's the related post. I have no post, so it is showing the hello world, the test post in the related. Now friends, we have created the article and all the things, and our site is live now. Now we can make some changes in the layout. Let's come back to the frontier option, the theme option, and we can trash this post, because this was the demo post come with the package of WordPress. And in the blog view we can click on the full, because I have only one article. So if the home page will look like this, so it will be more readable and understandable. And here we can see the advertises and our content, all the things, the sharing buttons. We are ready with the website, and you do not need to do anything apart from this. We have choose the domain, installed the WordPress, and optimized the website as well. And installed the plugins already, and advertises is also placed on the website. Now we will talk about the backlink and forums, which are used to rank your website and to come at the top page of SEO, sorry, at the top page of search engines. First of all, we will submit our website to the Google so that Google will came to know what our website is all about and what we are offering to the users so that they visit our website. Click on the header property and now copy the domain name, paste it, click on by clicking on the continue button. We have to verify that this website is our property for the security purpose, so click on the alternate methods and here we got a meta. Now come back to the website and paste it in header.php. Within a head tag you can paste it anywhere. Now we can verify this website as our property. So friends, now we have to upload the sitemap. If you remember, we have installed one plugin with Google XML sitemap. So we have generated our sitemap and we are submitting it to the Google, and it will crawl all the pages automatically. Now come to the Netherlands, which is the forum website. Here choose a category on which your article is all about. So the relevant category you can choose. As you know, my website is all about career. Create a new topic. There are many websites, and if you want to know more about this, you can drop a mail and I will mail you the whole directory website which will enhance your SEO. Now come to the analytics of Google. And in the Netherlands we have to provide the title and some content. The content must be unique. We need to make some changes on this content so that it will become unique. What this do is we are indexing our website to the third party website so that the more number of indexing will be, the higher rank we will get of our website. So this backlinking is really very important, otherwise you will not come. If you will come at the top page of Google, but once the competition will be higher, you will not come at the top searches. So work on this, do not take it lightly, because these are the tricks which give you the 10 times more revenue. These small things, this SEO is not very easy. After writing the article, we have to give this domain name, and you can watch this syntax carefully so that you don't make any mistake. So below the content I am providing my URL so that when I will check it on Alexa, it will show that my website is also linked on Netherlands directory. Suppose these are the two keywords, and which is coming on the home page of my website, we can see, and we will click on any of the URL, we will come to our website from the third party website. Now we came to our website. Now we are cover the tricks of SEO, and this Reddit is again the forum website in which you submit the link and the post. You can do this by making an account on this website. So now come back to the analytics and create a new account by clicking on the create new account button in the admin section. Give a name to your account, your website name, the complete URL, which we can simply copy and paste. Fill this necessary information and click on get tracking ID, and we will get one script. Yeah, here it is. We have to copy the whole script and paste it on the header.php and update the file. Now when anyone will click on your URL, you will get from which location you got the user, and whether he was coming from the desktop or mobile phone, and the keywords, which keyword he typed, so that he found your website, so that you can work in a better way. So all the things and help you will get from this free Google tool, which is Google Analytics. Now here is 0 visitors because this is a very new website. Now let's do a small testing. Visit your site yourself, and you will find here one visitor came to your website, and he is a desktop visitor, and the location is the Dehradun. Now friends, let's talk about the AdSense revenue and the Google Analytics. Suppose in the month of December I got 1,77,683 users, and the page views was 3.5 lakh approx. So I have earned the $483, which is a good amount for you if you will work, and you will get this money in your account. And this RPM is in the 10,000 views I am getting $4.58. So these are the approx 30,000 rupees in the Indian currency which I have earned in a month, which you can also do easily. Now let's cross check the SEO. We have written one article, and when we are typing the keyword on which we have written the post, we are getting our URLs at the top of the Google. So this is a part of SEO and a good content writing. I have deleted 2016. Again we are coming at the second position of Google, and when we will write a number of articles, we will come in at the short keyword also. CBSE result 2016, CBSE result date, and you will get a lot of traffic, and the number of clicks you will get on the advertises, the more revenue you will earn monthly. So this was my video is all about. I hope you have liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I will provide you the additional information later on. Thank you.